Guy's got a 2007 BMW X3 with 149,000 miles. This is a clean little unit. And runs just terrific. I mean, what a sweet little rig. I don't know. Wow. I mean, that little engine purrs, man. The only thing, I like the interior, and it's very clean. It's a nice black leather, black interior. Got all the books. Nothing's beat up or cracked. It's got a big Panorama Sunroof. Back seat's clean. No warning lights. I mean, these are all, okay, we're approaching miracle status here. It is a really bad color of blue, however, on the exterior, which I do not like, and it has some clear coat failure on the hood. But the interior, and so far the way it drives, it is very well put together. I mean, this is telling me I need to put on my seatbelt, which I have it on. Must not like the book sitting in the seat here. I don't know. But that would drive me crazy. I'd have to figure that out. Because for once I have my damn seatbelt on. Oh, come on, shut up. Hang on, let's do this. It's for the passenger seat. It did not like that. Alright, let's see what she's got. Well, pretty impressive, I must say. Smooth little engine. What do they put in these things? It's a 6-cylinder. What is it? Just the old, just 3-liter BMW inline 6? Question mark. Is that what they put in these? It is smooth as silk. Got pretty good power. Not a ton. But, you know, it'll get up and go. It'll get up and roll. I mean, when I say this thing's clean, I mean, when you see the buttons look like that, I mean, this thing's clean. Very light touch on whoever owned and used this. I gotta see what's under the hood. I think it's the 3-liter. But I mean, y'all agree with me on this color. It's almost purple. I mean, it's, whew, man, it's potent. Got decent tires on it. They're cheap. Valeros, but decent tires. Wholesale auto brokers, so they sold it. It's a trade-in at the Nissan store in Cleveland, Tennessee. But yeah, we got some clear coat failure, y'all, which, you know, I know how to sand that down a little bit and go to paintscratch.com and buy a little and just fix that right up. The roof doesn't have it. Now the pano roof looks like it's having a little bit of issue. I tried opening it and it was trying to get stuck on me. So there might be an issue definitely going on there. I was hearing some wind noise. So might have a little problem with the pano roof. But it's a tidy little BMW. God, it's got a tow package. Shit, got a 2-inch receiver hitch. What the hell? Tow your Mastercraft with this. Oh, BMW, you and your damn power door locks on the, up here on the dash. I mean, look, it's pretty clean. Got just a little bit of dog hair back here, but yeah, this one's pretty clean, y'all, for an 07. I mean, you know, it only has 150K. That ain't nothing for an 07. Especially these old Beamers. Oh, I forgot to pop the hood. Let's see. I bet this is the 3-liter. Or would it be a 2.5? God, clean as can be. clean, no smell of oil, 3-liter, 3.0i. I mean, very tidy and clean under here. Yep, just a little bummer right there. All right, I like this. And see, people get scared to bid on these things, y'all. The Mercedes and the BMW get scared. They'll pay, you know, for an 07 Chevy Malibu, they'll pay more for it than an 07 BMW X3 that looks like this. I'll spend $5 on a Carfax, and as long as it's good and got some service history on there, you know, I don't have any warning lights, except now I don't have my seatbelt on. You know, people will be afraid of that. I'm interested in that little Mercedes ML. That's a trade-in at the Mercedes dealership. Everybody's gonna be scared to death of that thing. Scared to death. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the BMW X3. I may seriously bid on this tomorrow. This is a neat rig. We'll see you with the next one. With beeping seatbelts. Peace.